Hey everybody, so by now you've been in my closet. You know that I'm obsessed with clothes.
He is obsessed with clothes.
She can vouch for it. But I really wanted to try some DIY. I always get these crazy ideas about different pieces of clothing that I want to make myself.
Yep.
So I enlisted my beautiful wife, Jaclyn, to be my emotional support and to be my backup.
And to teach you how to sew.
And to do all the necessary things.
He doesn't know how to sew.
Before we begin, today's video is brought to you by LG Duel Screen. It is a brand new smartphone that has two separate screens. It makes multitasking a breeze. You can watch my YouTube videos and like my Instagram all in the same thing.
Who doesn't want to do that?
You're welcome.
So the Smiths purchased a sewing machine.
Yes, we did.
We haven't used it yet.
No, we haven't.
So we're gonna start today.
Yes, we are. Let's go get some supplies. All right, we are on our way. We're gonna get some supplies.
Sunday fun day.
Woo!
Let's get some music in this car ride. And let's get some directions pulled up here. Let's listen to our wedding playlist. If you had to describe yourself as one article of clothing, what would it be?
Jeans. Comfortable, versatile, looks good with everything.
Timeless.
Timeless.
I love that.
See? You get it.
Okay, so we just ate some lunch because you gotta fuel up before a big project.
Too much lunch. Pasta, never-ending pasta. Okay, so we're gonna look at some flannels. The idea here is to get something that's a little bit big because I'm gonna have to cut some of the fabric out, and I wanna get two different styles that are complementary to each other but that don't match.
Okay, I found this very comfy, cozy
What are
pajama
you
sweater.
doing?
I'm getting distracted.
This is a very distracting experience. We've got our list. We need to stick to it.
Okay. All right, what do we need?
Got our shirts. Going for something kind of like these.
We got your shirts.
We are all ready to go. Headed home now. So excited.
It's gonna be so cool.
I am so ready.
I'm having so much fun right now.
I'm so done with this game.
So let's stop. Let's do a little background on our sewing experience.
It's this much for me.
We just got this machine. I've used it for about 35 minutes total.
Yep.
And you've never used it.
I've never touched it.
So we're feeling
Till right now.
pretty confident.
We've got our shirts. I think it's gonna be more difficult to sew through the collar.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go ahead and just cut them off. You guys have seen me wear shirts like that before. It's kind of like a club collar. Right above the button here, there's that little line. We're gonna cut right along that. Let's do it.
What can we do with this?
Maybe like a nice dog collar. Okay, so we've got two collarless shirts. The goal here is to end up with a shirt that's like half and half.
Like that.
Fun.
Because we don't know what we're doing. We're using common sense to try and figure it out. So we went to the back of the shirt, measured from seam to find the middle. We pinned it, and then we're gonna try and just cut straight down the back.
So we're putting both shirts kind of inside each other in the hopes that, because they are the same size, hopefully it will be close enough.
Yeah, make sure you get the same brand and same size shirt if you're gonna do this, unless you absolutely don't care what it looks like at the end.
Unless you want it to look bad. I'll do the cut so that if it is messed up, it's me.
We pinned the two shirts together.
Pinned them together.
This is our method we're gonna try.
I'm gonna cut it because I actually want to be involved in one step.
You got
This is so nice having a teammate. For life in general. Done. Well,
Sort
with
of.
that.
Now we both have a shirt.
Yeah, the nice part about this is you either get two tries, or if you're really good at it,
You get two
new
shirts. Also, these are like perfect BFF shirts. You know those like
Yes.
necklaces that are broken down the middle?
friendship bracelets.
Look at these friendship shirts. Whoa, we look awesome. Whoa.
Holiday card.
Okay, so we just need to sew it up the back.
Yep. I'm gonna do the sewing and it's gonna be a mess. Let's try it. I'm gonna pull up a YouTube video on how to sew as well as some directions on
how to thread the bobbin.
How to thread the bobbin as well.
Okay, so we flipped it inside out and we're going to pin the two pieces together and sew so that when it's right side in, they're sewn together.
It's starting to sew. She started me off a little bit, but let's try it.
Good job.
I'm too nervous. You take over.
Really?
You take over. Yeah.
You're doing a good job. Are you playing a game?
I was just trying it out.
Moment of truth.
Are we done?
Yeah, we're done. We're done.
All done.
You did a great job.
I did such a good job. And that's a wrap on DIY best friend shirts. They turned out pretty amazing. I'm very happy.
I didn't even know I was getting a shirt in the deal, so I'm pretty stoked about it.
Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not already. Tell a friend about the channel. Should they follow us on Instagram?
I think so.
Thank you to LG Dual Screen for sponsoring today's video. If you had 2 screens,
What would you do?
comment below.